we don't have to ignore them. So yeah, just one more time. What score are you guys?
IIT Dhanbad.
Do you have a team name?
Convex chul.
Convex what?
Convex chul. So basically, convex hull.
Oh,
But
okay.
Just add a C before
yeah, so chul means something in Hindi.
I see. Sure, I'll just write this real quick. IIT. Not 2 I's.
Yeah.
With an E, right?
DHA.
Oh, okay.
DHAN.
DHAN. Sorry.
BAD.
Okay. And yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. When did you guys get in?
So 46 World Finals.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's just play this game again. What are your names?
Yash.
How do you spell?
YASH.
Oh, okay. Yesh. Abhishek. With an H?
HI.
Yeah.
You can write ABHI.
Yeah. Sure, Avi is fine.
G-A-Y.
Yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna simulate a quick contest and like just talk through like splitting how you guys split the problems. So I have like 16 problem categories and we'll just shuffle them and yeah, try and see, you know, hopefully none of you guys end up
With the geometry problem.
with that. do all of you guys hate geometry?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's. Yeah. I mean, there are 4 problems in the bottom, so hopefully, you know, maybe geometry will be there. Okay. So the first problem is math.
Math, probably Jay can take it.
Graph theory.
I can take it.
Okay. Geometry.
Oh.
Skip.
Okay. We don't have to solve this problem, I guess. Brute force.
Brute force, Abhishek can take.
Okay. DP.
I can take it.
Okay. Constructive.
Jay, definitely Jay.
Okay. I guess you like math and that kind of thing?
I like ad hoc.
Okay. Strings?
Strings, not Jay. I can take it.
Flow?
Flow, yeah, I can take.
Okay. Greedy?
Greedy, I can do.
Okay. Combo?
I can.
Implementation?
Abhishek can take it.
And then trees.
I think no option was to give it to Jay.
Right. Unfortunate.
Yeah, I wanted
And I think you might also be stuck with the geometry
Yeah.
problem.
I wanted interactives, but okay.
Yeah. I guess the interactive didn't come up.
Oh.
I mean, yeah. What do you guys think is the hardest and the easiest categories from the past 10 years?
So I feel like greedy is the easiest for me.
Uh-huh.
And hardest is like very tough data structure applications. So that part we all are weak at.
Maybe very hard mathematics.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Mathematics is hard, and I think constructives might be the easiest for me.
What do you guys think? Like, so specifically, the numbers I have are based on the last 10 years, the average solve rate over the last 10 years
For
of World Finals.
okay. So average solver, average how much each team percentage of to entire problem set they solve.
No, sorry. How much
each
for
topic,
each
how much?
topic? How many like
Okay.
you take all the problems in there and you average their solve rates?
Okay.
I think
Okay.
implementation might be the
I think
Least,
math
yeah.
may be the highest.
I think greedy could be low because like there are some tough to prove greedies.
Right.
which
Yeah.
people don't solve. generally.
Yeah.
So do we have to predict the lowest solve rate for a topic?
Just which one do you think is has the lowest solve rate, and which one do you think has the highest solve rate?
I think geometry definitely has the lowest solve rate.
Yeah, geometry probably lowest.
Lowest and implementation highest. I think.
Implementation highest. So the actual answer is for the lowest solve rate is actually interactive,
Oh.
because there's been one interactive problem in the history of ICPC World Finals. They only started allowing them like a year or two ago, and the interactive problem had one solve.
Oh.
But after that, like geometry, there have been like a many of them, and the geometry has like a 20% average solve rate or something.
Oh.
So geometry is definitely is like probably actually the hardest, and this is just like some funny data.
And
the
the highest?
easiest, the highest solve rate is probably actually greedy. It's a lot of teams just like
Yeah,
figure it
and-
out by the end of the contest, and it's not too implementation heavy, so
Yeah.
a lot of
And
teams can
If
do
I
it.
solve it might be that it is the easy one.
Yeah. So yeah, that's thank you guys. Thank
Yeah.
you guys for,
Thanks for having
talking.
us.
Do you guys have any like thoughts on the contest? Are you guys going to win the contest?
Probably no.
Our
Okay.
rating doesn't allow us to
To
win.
win in our region.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we win in our region, that would be great for us.
Did you guys? How did you guys do at regionals?
So like our best rank was like seventh in one of the
Uh-huh.
regions. So
Yeah.
yeah. So
Okay.
if we have our best day, probably we can.
You probably can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck then. Yeah. And yeah, see you around.
Okay.
Can you introduce which world finals you're competing in and then your university?
Yeah, we are competing in the 46 finals, and we are from the Universidad Tecnológica Nacional
Cool.
from Argentina.
Okay. So we're here to play a couple games. So the first game is going to be called Contest Simulator, and for that, I'm actually going to need you to write your names here in the top.
Okay. Oh, I can do it. Take it. Fede, that's me.
Okay.
JP, that's me.
Okay.
And Santi.
Okay. So Fede, JP, and Santi.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So here we're gonna simulate a contest simulator. So here I have a stack of 16 different problems, and we're going to simulate a 12 problem contest. And it's going to be standard like 5-hour contest. So what's going to happen is you're going to draw a problem, and you'll see like what the type of the problem is, and then you're going to have to assign it to one of the three of you to solve. Now, this is an ICPC contest, so you can't have one person doing all of the problems. So in fact, each person will solve only 4 problems.
Okay.
So you understand how this works?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to have each of you draw problems in turn, and then you will get to
Okay.
go. So the first problem is
Game theory.
game theory. So who's going to do the game theory problem?
Okay. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
next.
Flows and matching.
Matching.
That's for me.
That's for you. Yeah.
Oh, flows and matchings. Okay.
It's for you. Yeah.
What was it? Oh, dynamic programming. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
This is an even start.
Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
start.
Brute force. I think Santi too.
Okay.
Brute force. Okay, yeah.
Divide and conquer. Nobody.
Aquí le pongo.
Oh, the divide and conquer.
I will.
Papi.
Mm,
Or Juanpi, yeah.
suspicious.
The destructors.
You or
What's this one?
anyone.
I'm gonna
Uh,
take this one. I'm gonna take it.
yeah.
Okay, Santi's getting a little busy here.
Yeah.
Only one more.
Yeah. Interactive. Fair, yeah. Combinatorics. This is like here.
No, someone has to do it.
Oh.
If you see the combinatorics problem, who has to do
I
it?
cannot remove it, but well, we are going to put it there.
Okay.
Implementation. Santi.
Okay, so Santi's
Santi's
done.
Yeah, Santi's
Okay. Okay, hopefully.
Here, trees. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This
Okay.
is already fixed. Greedy.
Greedy?
Yeah.
Is that good? Is that good or bad?
And
We need geometry now.
we need to.
Oh, no geometry.
Nah.
So it's graph theory. Okay, so this is how your contest goes. So how did this contest go for you? Like if this was the problems, how good are these assignments?
Yeah, I think.
Not the best, but not
Yeah,
Okay, if you had to make some changes, like what would you change around here?
I put geometry somewhere.
There's no geometry in the set.
They
They
changed in the
forgot
contest.
they forgot the geometry problem. So if you change the assignments, what would you how would you reassign the problems?
Maybe I think Santi can switch with me by combinatorics.
You switch the combinatorics of
I can
implementation.
take implementation or
Okay, so you're saying you would have done
Yeah.
this instead. Okay,
that would
okay.
be a good change.
Yeah.
Cool. So as you noted, there was geometry was not in your problem set. So we have 16 different tags here. So we have geometry, constructive, math, and strings.
Yeah.
So here's the sort of the follow-up here. So we analyzed the last 10 years of World Finals problems, and we looked at we took each problem and we labeled it one of these types. And so we want to know, or we want you to guess which 3 types were the hardest and which 3 types were the easiest. And so we rate hardest and easiest by the solve rate.
Okay.
So the 3 hardest would be the ones that were solved the least on average, and then the 3 easiest are the ones that are solved the most on average.
I think the most harder could be of implementation, right?
Okay, so you think implementation is one of the hardest.
I think, yes.
Okay, so we'll put the hardest ones over here.
Yeah, I would put flow in the hardest as well.
Okay, so you're thinking implementation, flow.
Harder.
Or geometry. I would say geometry.
Geometry? Think geometry?
Yeah,
Game
yeah.
theory.
Okay.
Or
Are you sure already? Do you want to? And then there's also the 3 easiest. So
Oh,
do them.
CS, I think trees.
Trees.
Trees could
You
be.
think trees are?
Dynamic programming.
Dynamic programming.
So you think trees,
Dynamic.
dynamic programming?
And one more.
Maybe I would say math. Even though we don't like it that much, I would say math.
Oh, that's
I don't know. But okay.
Okay. I just want you to double check while I consult the actual information. But so you're just to confirm. And so this is World Finals. So at the World Finals level, the easiest problems on average, or the easiest type,
okay.
like on average, you say are math, dynamic programming, and trees. And then the hardest ones are implementation, flows and matchings, geometry.
Yes.
Okay. So, I'll tell you got at least 1 right and at least 1 wrong. How many do you think you got right? Based on the fact that
Half?
you think
Yeah, 3.
you think
Yeah,
3? Okay. So I will tell you that on the hardest side, you got geometry right,
Yes.
but flows and matchings and implementation are both actually not hard. Implementation's actually more on, I think it's actually on the easier side.
Okay.
The 2 other hardest ones, so data structures.
Okay.
Data structures is actually pretty hard. They like to prepare hard data structures problems, and people just don't want to type, 200 lines of data structures.
Yeah.
And then the hardest type is actually interactive.
Oh yes.
There's only 1 interactive problem ever. That was last year, or 2 years ago in Moscow, and only 1 team solved it. So very, very low solve rate. And then on the easiest side, I'm sad to say that none of those are right.
Wow.
So given that, what are your new guesses?
We need to guess 2 there and 3 here.
I told you the hardest one. So now you're only guessing the
Okay,
easiest.
yeah, makes sense.
Constructive, no.
Greedy.
Okay, so greedy,
Brute force.
brute force.
And implementation.
Oh, sorry. I kind of lied, but it's on implementation.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Graph theory?
Yeah.
These are your new guesses? How confident do you feel about these?
I would say 2.
You think 2? You think 2 out of 3?
At least
Okay.
At least one.
So greedy is correct.
Okay.
The other 2 are actually game theory
In theory.
and strings.
Okay.
Yeah, so the reason why both of these are easier is because for strings, ICPC sets a lot of problems about tries, actually. So when we were categorizing them, we saw lots of problems about tries, and people are pretty comfortable with them, so it gets solved a lot. And then game theory, there aren't that many game theory problems, but they also tend to be on the easier side. Like it's easier for teams to kind of figure out like the optimal strategy or so on. So that's why that is on the easier tag. They don't have like really hard game theory that like no one can figure out. It's always been like relatively easy. But yeah, so that was our.
We didn't do very well. We hope we do better.
Yeah, do you think you're gonna win the finals?
No,
Not winning.
Do you think are you going for like medal, like North America or Latin American championship, or
Latin American championship.
okay? Did how do you feel about your chances there, like in Latin America?
I don't know.
I would say they're not super high, but like we have some.
Yeah.
Okay, glad to hear it. Well, good luck, and we'll see you in the finals.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
See you.
So yeah, what are you guys from?
Carnegie Mellon University.
Which round are you competing? Which World Finals are you competing?
46.
46. Okay. When did you guys arrive?
This morning.
Yeah, 9 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long was your flight?
10 hours plus 1
Was it from like Pittsburgh?
from DC.
Yeah.
We drove
okay.
down to Pittsburgh.
Oh, okay.
We drove
And
4
yeah,
hours to DC.
I had to fly from SFO to DC.
Oh, okay. I see.
And then
And then from DC to Cairo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I mean, some of you guys have seen the drill, but seen this. But let's just I'll just explain again. So you guys are CMU.
Yes.
Do you have a team name?
Do we have a team name?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay, that's fine. I'll just say number 46, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are your names?
I'm Dohan.
Oh, sure, you can
Just
yeah, here.
Oh, is this a competition between us?
Yes.
No.
Here? Datia.
And I'm Jim.
Yeah. So this is a contest simulator. So I have a stack of problems, and you know, in a contest you just read them one at a time. And, you just have to solve them, and you have to give them to someone, right?
Right.
So I'm going to give you guys a problem each. I'm going to give you guys one problem at a time, and then you have to assign it to one of your team members, and just like tell us, a little bit about what that means. And then we'll do 12 problems, but each person can't solve more than 4 because you just run out of time.
Right.
So, okay, so starting with combo.
Okay, I think I'll take that. Yeah.
Okay. Greedy.
Greedy.
I can do that.
Okay. Strings.
I can do
Yeah.
that.
What does the color mean?
No, they're just pretty. They're just ICPC colors.
I see.
Graph theory.
Sure, I can do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Brute force.
Sure, I can do that too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you are doing a lot of them.
DP.
I can do that.
Okay.
Flow.
I'll take it. Yeah.
Okay. Someone knows math.
Okay, math.
Math.
Yeah.
Okay.
Going for solve, yes.
Constructive.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Trees.
I'll take it.
Okay. Implementation.
I can do that.
Okay. And then interactive problems.
Sure.
Okay. Well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have those as well.
Yeah. How does this look compared to like a normal contest?
I think I usually take the interactive.
Yeah. Because it's really constructive.
Yeah. The interaction and constructive are usually pretty similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I think like more than one person like does a DP, more than one person like does a greedy because a lot of problems have that.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Same
there
with
are
like graph theory.
right. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Let's do something else. Do you guys? So there are 8 regions in ICPC.
Yeah.
Can you guys? I will give you like 90 seconds. Can you guys list out one team, one university from each region?
Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for it.
Okay. Asia Pacific, like Japan, like Korea's in here. Okay. Let's. Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
yeah.
go with the
New
answer.
York. New York.
Here, just write it there. Just write it next to it.
Okay.
Northern Eurasia can be like Cambridge. I
Cambridge. Okay.
think I'm at Cambridge. Yeah.
For Europe, we heard someone from Swedish.
Okay. I just think like KTH.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Is Northern Eurasia Europe or is it like Russia?
Yeah.
Let me
Sorry.
just back up a little bit so the
Sorry.
camera's a little bit better. No,
Oh yeah.
it's
Wait, I
okay.
don't think. Yeah. Northern Eurasia might be Russia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. MIPT.
Okay. MIPT.
Okay.
Yeah, and for Asia, it's definitely like.
Okay.
Latin America, University of Buenos Aires.
Okay,
I
yeah.
think they're consistently here.
Right.
Asia West.
Asia West. Here?
Oh, is that India?
I don't know.
Maybe.
I think,
Probably.
Yeah. Do you know it?
IIT something. IIT Roorkee, I think.
Okay. Hopefully.
Africa and Arabia.
20 seconds.
Oh, maybe we go for some Japan or some.
Seoul National University.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Oh yeah. Sure.
That's in here.
For Arabic, maybe the AASTMT or something.
Are you
like-
sure?
Yeah. Just put it.
A-A-S-T. I don't really know how to spell it.
MT maybe.
MTU.
Yeah.
Oh no, like AASTMT. I think.
No you at the end.
I know you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, these are pretty good. So MIPT, definitely here. CMU, obviously.
Yeah.
SNU, I'm pretty sure they're here. Tsinghua is here. ASTMT is actually multiple universities. It's like IIT or whatever. Okay. So the two that are here, I think there's Alexandria and I think there's Cairo.
Okay.
So Asia West, yeah, IIT. I don't know which IIT sites are here, but there are definitely several. I think KTH actually is not here. Cambridge is, but not KTH. And then, yeah, I don't remember exactly the full name of U Buenos Aires, but like it's like Universidad de Buenos Aires, and there's some extra qualifiers or something. So, but yeah, Buenos Aires I think is here. So yeah, good job.
Let's go.
Do you guys are you guys excited for the contest?
Yeah.
Are you guys going to win?
Probably.
Let's go for the best.
We're going for
Best we
solve.
can.
Yeah.
First solves?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. I guess, are you guys, is Richard coaching you guys?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Technically.
Technically? Okay. I just know that Richard keeps telling everyone to go for first solves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Do you have anything to say about the contest? Or anything?
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, well, good luck and thanks for talking.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so where are you guys from?
So we are from Hanoi University of Science and Technology from Vietnam.
From Vietnam, Hanoi?
Yeah, Hanoi.
Yeah, when did you guys get here? Was it a long flight? I don't really know how you fly from...
So we went here from Hanoi to Cairo 2 days
oh,
ago.
there's a direct flight.
Yeah. We
Just
transit
at
at Dubai.
Oh, okay,
Dubai,
okay. Yeah. 2 days ago in Cairo?
Yeah, and we spent 2 days traveling in Cairo to visit the pyramids, and then we
right.
came here
Right.
today.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Cool, so we're gonna play a quick game. Sorry, what am I? How should I write your team name? Do you guys have a team name?
Oh yeah. So you can write that HUSD. HUSD. Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. Which contest are you guys participating?
46.
Okay, 46. Just write 46. And what are your names?
My name is Duck DIC.
You guys can write it if you'd like.
Yeah. My name is actually DUNG, but to be polite, I put Z at the middle.
Right. Okay, so we're gonna play contest simulator. So I have a stack of problems. There's like more problems than we'll do, but we'll pick out 12 of them. And after picking out each one, you guys have to assign it to one of the people. Assign it to one of your team members, like an actual ICPC round. And just because you only have so much time, you can't assign more than 4 problems to one person.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just get started. So the first is combinatorics.
Oh. So maybe duck.
Yeah.
He's very best at mathematics, so I think.
Okay. Math. Also.
Also him.
DP.
Maybe me. It's
Okay.
my strength.
Yeah. Game theory.
What can you do here?
Okay. Well, we'll come back to that then. Data structures?
Yeah, I think I gave you
Yeah,
two here.
give it to him.
Okay. Divide and conquer?
Maybe me.
Okay.
Seems easy.
Geometry?
No one.
No one likes geometry.
Okay, we can just skip it. You guys just will have an unsolved problem. That's fine.
Skip this problem.
Yeah. Implementation?
Maybe here.
Yeah,
Yeah. Constructive problems?
I gave to him.
Flow?
Flow.
Maybe duck. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
No, not me.
Yeah, it's me.
Not me.
Yeah.
Okay. Greedy?
Maybe give it to me.
Okay.
Okay.
I have time to think about. greedy
Right.
solution.
And then the last problem, interactive?
Yeah, maybe me.
Okay.
Last one.
Yeah, and you know, you've already skipped your geometry problem, so you just have an empty spot. What do you guys think? Is this similar to how you guys actually like do contests? Do you guys
I
actually
think
split problems?
it's quite true. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys all like type problems through the contest? Like
Coding?
Or yeah, like do you guys all? Yeah.
No. Only two of them code.
And then yeah.
My task is to read on the problem and then divide them to
Right. Yeah.
to two.
Right. Cool. Okay. Let's do something else. So you know how universities can have guests at each at the contest?
Yeah.
So there are 8 regions, right? Can you sort the regions by the average number of guests that they bring?
Guess?
Yeah. So guests are like, you can bring coaches. Everyone brings like a coach or two, usually. But you can also bring extra guests. Like your university can sponsor extra people. So can you sort the regions by how many guests you think they bring on average? The teams.
So actually, we came here with like 10 more people. So I think
Right. So they probably are all guests.
Asia is.
Oh, I think my our is.
No,
Asia
sorry,
Pacific.
Asia Pacific. Yeah.
Yeah. You can just like move the magnets. These are just magnets, so you can move them around.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Just here.
this one at the top.
Yeah.
Right.
And, North America.
Yeah. Then.
Right.
And maybe
Europe.
Europe.
Yeah. And then.
So actually, these teams are the best in ICBC. Like,
I think this from Russia, right?
yeah, Northern Eurasia. Oh no, it's like Sweden, Norway.
No, Northern Eurasia is like Russia.
Oh, yeah, it's
Russia.
Russia. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it should be here. 8 years. I don't think.
No, I think Asia West is quite near here, so. Yeah.
Maybe
It's okay.
West. No. West.
Asia West is quite near here, so I
okay.
think they can bring more
Uh-huh.
food.
But should put something down.
Okay. Then I think
Are you guys going from this side to this side, or?
Maybe. And
I think this is our host, right? So.
Mhm.
So I think we can put them in here. It's our house. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And then put them down here. Here. And here.
Sorry, which order is it? This and then this?
Yeah.
Okay.
is it
What do you
Pacific?
think?
I mean, okay.
Yeah, so actually, Asia Pacific does not have a lot of guests on average. Maybe your team is just the exception, but Asia Pacific has on average 0.4 guests per team. And they're also Asia West and Asia Pacific both have about 0.4. The most is actually Northern Eurasia. They have about 1.8, and then the hosts with 1.6. The host region. I think the host region is definitely the closest, right? And then Asia East has like 1.3, and then Europe, Latin America, and North America each have about 1.8, oh, 0.8. So yeah, I guess these actually have the most guests, and somehow you guys are the only Asia Pacific team with 10 guests. Yeah. How are you guys? How are you guys feeling about the contest? Are you guys going to win?
I'm not sure, but
We are trying some like we will try to first solve some one or some problem. Yeah.
to make history.
Right. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Well, have any of you guys been here before?
Never.
Uh-huh.
Never.
Okay. Well, good luck, and thank you guys for talking.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. I have a bunch of things we can do. Do you guys want to look more at? Do you guys want to play this game? Do whatever you want. Okay, we can play this game again. I like this, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. We can also do there's some other like quick things. Okay, so let's just start with this. So you guys have seen the drill. I guess like first like what team what's your team name? What's your team? What are your guys' names?
My name is
Yeah, so I have a lot of problem types. Well, you guys don't remember all of what I just put in, but we're gonna give you one problem at a time, and you guys have to allocate it to whoever and tell me why.
Yes.
So I guess let's just yeah. So trees.
Yeah, you probably.
Greedy. Okay. Combo. Okay. Math. Okay. Okay. Geometry. Who's the geometry? Yeah. There's always one geometry person, right? Flow. Implementation. Brute force. Oh, okay, all the Python code. Constructive. Okay. Strings. Okay. Graph theory. And interactive.
Okay. Yeah, that is true. That is actually.
Okay. Yeah, is this a good contest?
I think so. Actually, pretty good for us.
Do you guys normally all solve problems?
Yeah, we usually work together a lot.
Yeah. Do you guys have some people who implement more and some people who implement less? Or?
I love the implementation. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'm an implementation person on most of my teams. But yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, we have some other games. Let's try something real quick. So these are the list of the 8 ICPC regions. And I guess can you sure, can you guys sort the regions by the number of teams that qualify to both ICPCs, both the 46 and the 47?
So any had 35. 18 and 17. 35.
Right. So sorry. This is the number of universities that qualify to both. Yeah.
Like intersection.
Yeah. The size of the intersection of 46 and 47.
NA is it's like at least 10, right?
Got it.
Asia is significantly competitive. There's way more teams, so you can't overlap as small. It's like, but there's a ton of teams.
I'll tell you guys real quick that there are some ties. So the distribution is there's one first place team, and then one second place team, and then the rest are tied. So IITs are in Asia West. Oh, Asia West includes all, like most of it. Like I think all of India and mostly China. And Asia Pacific includes Japan. It also includes I think some Southeast Asia, and it also includes like I think Australia. Oh, actually Australia might be different. I think Australia might be different. Are you
Yeah.
This is most overlapping.
I'm trying to not from the
I can just move it. What was that? Oh, I don't know. Never mind. I personally think it was very okay. Are we happy with this? I don't know. I don't know. Let's just
Okay. Yeah. So Northern Eurasia does have a lot. It has 10, but the most is actually Asia Pacific. Asia Pacific is 15 teams.
Yeah.
I think. I guess they just have like more like similar like good teams. So Asia Pacific is first, and then it's Northern Eurasia, and then Europe and Africa both have 9 overlap. North America and Asia East have 8, and then Asia West and Latin America have 6. So this is okay. I'm not sure you have fewer than half immersions for sure. But yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Do you guys have any thoughts on the contest? Are you guys gonna win?
We'll see.
Well, you're not the same contest, right? It's different contests.